nice to you?
Sorry?
I was just wondering whether you could get all that or if you'd like me to move for you.
What are you talking about, darling?
Pathetic.
What? She should be more careful.
What, in case some pervy man stares at her pants?
Well, yeah.
I saw you.
Saw me what?
Staring at her pants.
That's ridiculous.
She's very beautiful.
You think?
Yeah. Young, hurt. What is it your friends say? A stomach like a snare drum?
We don't say that.
Well, what were you looking at then? Because I saw you.
Oh, I was staring at her. I was staring at her book.
Oh, her book.
Yeah.
And what might that be then?
The Stranger.
L'étranger, you know it.
Oh yeah, seminal.
Albert Camus, unless I'm mistaken.
Oh yeah, Albert Camus. Yeah. Made quite an impact on me as a teenager. Camus. That book just changed my life, and I thought, well, you don't see it about that often.
So what's it about then?
Sorry?
Well, the book that changed my husband's life I should know about. Oh, come on, you know I love a good story.
Well, it's French. It talks about étranger, stranger, basically. You know, new man in town, locals are difficult to break. And he started off as a stranger, and after a beautifully crafted series of events, he ends up accepted and as a new sheriff.
Sheriff.
Yeah, it's kind of French Western. Molly,
I'm
wait.
very sorry to bother you. Yeah? Well, I was just wondering if you could help me.
Of course.
Well,
Molly, we should leave this young lady
no,
alone.
you don't mind, do you?
No, of course not. What can I do for you?
Well, he was just noticing the book you were reading.
Really? L'étranger? It's really a wonderful piece of writing.
Well, you know, my husband was just saying so.
Really? You know it?
Well, I read it 3 years ago.
Huh. Ismer's still an extraordinary character. I mean, his inability to lie and his ability to live so much in the present. An amazing creation.
Yeah.
And you know, he still ends up sheriff.
Jesus
Sorry.
Christ. What
Well,
the hell?
I was just saying, no, isn't it remarkable that he could be so truthful and still end up sheriff of the town? I mean, he just cleans up that town, doesn't he?
I think you might have the book a little confused.
Oh, really?
Yes. This is the book about the fundamental existential crisis of a man unable to live within the restrictions that society imposes upon him. Upon all of us.
So it's not a Western.
No. Is there something wrong?
We should leave.
Well, no. I feel I should apologize for my husband. I'm afraid he's been staring at your pants.
God's sakes, Molly, I'm really sorry. My wife just got too much sun.
Actually, I think it's my husband who's been affected by the heat. But there's a little bit of advice for you. Next time that you're sunbathing on the heath, then just be a little bit more careful, because it's full of perverts. Pack your things, we're going.
Excuse me, I'm really sorry.
Or were you really looking at me?
Yeah, I was. Really sorry.
That is quite frightening.
Oh, I'm sorry, excuse me. I'm sorry, she gets really jealous.
Oh. When you stared at a girl's underwear?
I don't stare that often, but in such circumstance, yeah, she might manifest jealousy.
Oh, really? And what about you?
Me?
Yeah. Are you the jealous type?
Oh, no. Molly can stare at who she wants.
Oh, really?
Except Jude Law, but that's more a talent issue. really sorry. I should really leave now.
Would you like to look again?
Sorry?
Would you like to have another look?
Another look at.
I mean, we all need another look, now and again. Like most on the heat.
Yeah, like nurse. Thank you. But that was the right thing to.
Why not? You're welcome.